There is a real sensation. The document's content is very interesting and full of new information. We interviewed Medina and continued our investigation. Some details are well known in history, but others raise big questions. A resident of the Taipak district, Mахамбет Өтемісұлы, said that his ancestors knew where Mахамбет was buried. They passed down this knowledge from generation to generation. In 1951, Mахамбет Өтемісұлы used a clue from his father, a special whip handle made of rot-resistant wood, to find Mахамбet's grave among all burial sites. Finally, in 1958, the poet's grave was officially discovered.
I was looking through historical documents in the library. On one of the shelves I found an old dusty stack of papers. At first I thought it was just a regular historical record, but as I started reading I realized that it contained important information about the operation of the Satain Mахамбет. It seemed like no one had ever seen it before. Mахамбет was a warrior and poet who fought against colonial rule because of his
I don't know how these documents appeared in our library. We have many historical materials, but such important documents was never registered before. It is real. This is huge discovery for Kazakhstan history. We need to verify its sites. Mахамбет Өтемісұлы fought for his nation's freedom, giving us his death, his courage, fantastic, and he returned with his pupil.
Мен нарында жүргенде еңіреп жүрген ер едім. Исатайдың барында екі тарлам бөр едім. Hello everyone, today our guest is a historian, expert, scientist ақнur Bagdat. We watched Ahmaral Sen's report about Махамбет Өтемісұлы. Is this story true or not? How is the research going?
To prove the document's authenticity, we must compare it with archive materials. We should check the age of paper, writing style, and any seals. But it's real. This could be one of the biggest discoveries in Kazakh history. Noel Shaykhmetov took Mахамбет's hill to Almaty when he moved to Moscow, and he left the remains in the basement of his sister's house. Since no one was looking for them, Mахамбet's bones remained in a wooden box for 17 years, becoming yet another example of history in
ақнur Bagdat's report has sparked a big discussion in society. Everyone is asking the same question. Is this document a true historical sensation or a fabricated mask? We need to analyze it from every angle. Jasmine, based on your research, is it possible that such a document was kept hidden for so long?
He achieved the freedom he dreamed of only when Kazakhstan gained independence. Today's generation finds spiritual strength in his poems. Mахамбet's struggle is not over. He remains a spiritual mentor for modern poets who fight for truth and national pride. Thank you.
Thank you, ақнur. Goodbye. See you later. Мадина, қорқпашы. Мен білемін ғой, мен білемін.
Наверное, не нонсенс, не? Мен ойлап жүрмін, ғой топыраққа ұнатат аламын.
Жарас кетті кітапхана ашпасай?
Журналист болмаса кітапхана ашпауым деп тұр.
Әке, очки бер маған. Көзіңді құртасың, әке, очки бер.
Күн достар, бүгінге біз подружкаларымызбен бірге өзбек асханасына плов жеуге келдік.